Every baker has its favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. And today, we're going to discuss what makes a great chocolate chip cookie. I'm going to tap into your nerdy inner baker spirit and explain you the difference between all those chocolate chip cookies. Here I have my control cookie. It's cream butter, brown sugar, white sugar. Today we're going to compare it to other cookies with different ingredients or technique. First, let's talk about the sugar. If I use only white sugar, my cookie is wider, more pale, and it's very crumbly. If I use only brown sugar, color is very similar, higher moisture content, the cookie is more chewy. However, it's a bit too thin for my taste. By using brown sugar and white sugar, you achieve the right balance of chewiness and thickness. Now we're going to talk about the fat. Remember, the fat does two things. It creates texture and it creates flavor. Remember, our control cookie has cream butter. Melted butter makes your cookie crispier. The cookie is a bit flatter and spread a bit wider. In that cookie with shortening, you can see the chocolate chip floating to the surface of the cookies because shortening is more oily in texture than butter. However, shortening does one great thing. It brings a lot of chewiness to the cookie. Cookies made with shortening are always soft. Now let's talk about the difference between all-purpose flour and cake flour. When you use cake flour instead of the all-purpose flour, the cookie is a bit softer because it has less gluten that ties the dough together. Now the best kept secret in the industry, the 24-hour rest cookie. By letting the dough rest, the sugar melts, so that gives a beautiful texture where the inside of the cookie is very soft and moist and the outside is very crispy, making it the best chocolate chip cookie. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.